Yeah, so the Ruger 1022 out here trying to find some squirrels and shooting. So this one here, I don't know the exact model of it or anything, but a nice wood stock, nice little cheek rest, just a nice little rubberized cushion. Not that you need it for a 22 long rifle. Recoil is not there, but it's just a nice looking rifle. Got your swivel stud mounts there, and I think this is a 20-inch barrel. I can't remember off the top of my head, but this is if y'all can see that right there, the 50th anniversary stitched or etched on there on the bolt there. And I just got this equipped with a Vortex Crossfire 2x7x32 little scope, which works out pretty well. Now we're just talking about the 1022, but I guess we can talk about the scope too as well. Vortex, they make some good scopes, and I got a few of them. This particular one is 2x7. It could be me, it could be my eyes, but all the way at the 7 power, it's a little bit difficult to get a real clear picture on it. And like I said, some of that could be my eyes too. But I like the scope overall. And then Vortex, they got a good guarantee with them and everything. And this little rifle, I like it quite a bit. Nice checkering on the stock here in the front, or the forend, and back here, right here where your hand goes. Right here on this break here to like right in the pistol grip area. Pretty nice. And the typical, Ruger 1022 trigger on here, nothing fancy. And then your barrel style safety. And then your 10 round rotary magazine right there that just clicks in very nice. So hopefully we can find a squirrel. Going through here, we're gonna walk right down this trail, and then I got a feeder. I got an open field right here, or open area. Oh, there's a squirrel right over there. There he goes. See where he goes. He's gonna disappear on me. There we go. I like when they run up the pine trees because you can hear them. And of course, when you're deer hunting, that's all you hear is freaking squirrels. But come out here and hunt them, they get really quiet. Now where'd this little turd knocker go? I don't see him bouncing around. I don't see him. Where'd he go? Do y'all see him? I don't hear him climbing up no damn tree either. That's the wind blowing those limbs. Where'd you go, Mr. Squirrel? Did you already take off? Let's see. He's on through here. Where did you go? Oh, damn it. Didn't mean to step on that stick. It's okay. Make sure I ain't stepping on old Jake the snake either. See, I got a feeder right there. Usually the squirrels will be coming up in there. Let's see. I actually got a feeder over here, and I got a feeder over here. And they like going to both of them. So we'll take a peek through the woods. There. I don't see any at the base of that one. They're on the ground. Old bone right there. It is so quiet out here right now. The other feeder's right up here. But you know, them squirrels will haul ass in a quick moment. I don't see any right there at the feeder. Let's see for a minute here. Nope. Well, might have better luck just sitting on the porch. Oh, there's one right there. He's running across. He's right there. Let's see where he's going. Oh, he's trying to. Let me just walk this way. Oh, he's on my trailer. I see another one just jump on the tree back there. I can't shoot this little joker on the trailer, or I'll hurt my trailer. Well, let's see. Maybe I will shoot him on my trailer. Missed him. Got him right there. Oh, missed the first shot. He didn't run off. He stayed there. We'll go back there and see if his little buddies in the tree. Uh-oh, what did he do? He just fell off the trailer, or did he run away? Little bastard. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. He just fell off the trailer. Y'all see him right there? There he is. Right there. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Let's see if we can, little male squirrel. See if we can see that other one that ran off. Where'd you go there, buddy?